In the mid-18th century, Europe experienced a radical transformation from an agricultural and commercial economy to an industrial one, known as the Industrial Revolution. This period, 1760 to 1840, was marked by a series of technological and economic developments that changed life in Europe and the world forever. Prior to the Industrial Revolution, Europe relied heavily on agriculture and handcrafted industries. Families worked in fields or small workshops, producing goods using simple tools and manual labor or animal power. However, signs of change began to appear with population growth and expanding trade, increasing the need for faster and more efficient production methods. In the latter half of the 18th century, Britain emerged as a burgeoning industrial power due to several factors such as the availability of natural resources, including coal and iron, and scientific and technological advancements. Inventions like James Watt's steam engine were pivotal. This invention allowed unprecedented efficiency and speed in factory production. In the textile industry, machines like the spinning jenny and power loom revolutionized production. Before these inventions, textile production was time-consuming and required skilled manual work. But with these machines, large quantities of textiles could be produced in less time and at lower cost. These advancements propelled Britain to become the first major industrial nation. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant transition in people's lives. Large factories replaced small workshops, and industrial cities became employment destinations instead of agricultural villages. This led to increased migration from rural areas to cities, making major cities like Manchester and London important industrial and commercial centers. However, this transformation came at a cost. Factory work was tough and conditions harsh, with long hours and unhealthy environments, most workers being women and children. These conditions eventually led to social movements and labor unions that demanded better conditions. The Industrial Revolution also brought significant changes in transportation. With increased factory production, faster transportation was needed to move goods and raw materials. This saw the rise of railways, relying on steam engines, which connected industrial cities and transported products to local and global markets. Additionally, the development of steamships facilitated international trade, making intercontinental travel quicker and more efficient. While Britain was the cradle of the Industrial Revolution, the change soon spread to other European countries like France, Germany, and Belgium. These nations adopted British technology and began developing their own industries. By the mid-19th century, Germany, for instance, had become one of the major industrial powers in Europe. Globally, European colonies were affected by these changes, becoming important sources of raw materials, like cotton from India or rubber from African colonies, bolstering European economies.